The task we are going to handle now is known as a progressive group task. Now this also happens to be a very important task of the G2 series, and this happens on the first day. It happens to be the third task of the G2 series. What is the first task of the G2 series? That is group discussion. What is the second task? Group planning exercise. And third task happens to be the progressive group task. So first two tasks are indoor tasks, and this happens to be the outdoor task. After finishing off with the first two indoor tasks, you move out for the outdoor task. Okay, right. Now, since you are going to work in a group in this, hence it is a group task, and you are going to tackle number of obstacles in this, starting with a simple one, and as you progress further, you will find other obstacles are not so simple in nature, and therein lies the progressivity of the task. Hence, it is known as a progressive group task. Alright. Now, we do not have natural obstacle, gentlemen, over here in shape of nala, broken ground, etc. So, what we do, we draw two white lines and declare the area between these two white lines as out of bound area for you. Thereby, it becomes an obstacle for you which you are supposed to cross. Now, to facilitate you crossing over the obstacles, we will provide you certain helping materials in shape of plank, bully, rope, etc. Okay, and to further facilitate you crossing over the obstacle, we also place certain structures within the obstacle, which you can use while crossing over the obstacle. Okay, right. Now we'll come to the next part of this task. Is that you, while doing this task, gentlemen, you are supposed to follow certain rules or regulation. Now I'm going to tell you what all rules are supposed to be followed while doing this task. Now, first rule of the game is known as a group rule, as per which no member of the group can go to the next obstacle till such time the complete group has crossed over the obstacle. Okay. The second rule is distance rule, as per which no distance of 4 feet and more can be jumped across. It has to be bridged across it. Okay. And also third rule is a color rule, as per which if you find any structure or part of structure has been painted red in color, red color denotes what? Danger. So you take it as a danger for you. That means it is out of bound for you, for your helping material, and for your load also. I forgot to mention to you, gentlemen, while doing this task, you will also be carrying a load with you. Here it is in shape of a bucket, green bucket, right? That is supposed to be carried by you. It's a common liability. Okay, right. So I was talking about the rules, color rule. So I said any structure or part of the structure which have been painted red in color, it is out of bound for you, for your helping material, and for your load also. Okay, and if you find any structure or part of the structure being painted blue in color, it indicates that only it is inbound for you and not for your helping material and for your load. Okay, and if you find any structure or part of the structure painted white in color, that means it is inbound for you, for your helping material, for your load also. Right? Now, next rule is known as a rigidity rule. What is rigidity? What is rigid?
Not being flexible.
Not being flexible, inflexible, anything which cannot change its shape, right? So, as per rigidity rules, any two rigid helping materials cannot be tied together to increase their length. Fine? And last rule is rule of infinity. Infinity, you all understand?
Yes, sir.
What are this?
Sir, this panel mentioned
There is no end.
where we can't reach.
Infinity, what is infinity?
Something which has no limit or no end.
No end. Endless? So those two white lines which I spoke to you about earlier are supposed to be imagined as if they are extending towards infinity. That means they are parallel to each other and they do not meet with each other. Okay? Now all these rules, I would like all of you to observe the rules while doing this task. If anybody breaks the rule anywhere, the group is going to check him. Right? And if you fail to check it, then I have to point it out. Clear? And also, once I brief you and I ask any question, you please clarify your mind. But once the task has started, thereafter, if any fresh doubt comes to your mind, you must clarify amongst yourself. And do not address it to me. Clear? Any questions so far what I have spoken to you?
Sir, I didn't understand that blue color of the water.
Yeah. Anybody? What is blue color?
So, blue color which we can touch, not our helping material.
Okay.
And load also. Anything else? All clear?
Yes, sir.
So right. So now what we'll do, I'll take you around, show you the obstacle, and thereafter we'll start with the obstacle, with the task. Okay? If you have no more question, please turn around. You see another white line over there? That happens to be your finish line. Okay? And you can see helping material lying in front of you. right? You see a plank, you see a bully also, and you see 2 ropes also. This is a helping material with you. You also see a green bucket. This is the, what is this?
Carrying ammunition.
It is a load with you. It can be anything, whatever you want to call it, right? Now if you see on my left, you see 2 benches, okay? And on my right again you see L-shaped structure. Structure over there with a blue platform next to it. Here on my right side you see a triangle, base is white, blue in color, rest complete is white with a blue platform next to it. Here is on my left you can see a drum, totally blue in color, and you see 2 holes which are white in color, okay? And there is a blue platform, and just on my left you can see a triangle again. In this case the apex is blue, rest complete is white. And just off finish line you can see a bench, some portion towards you blue in color, rest complete is white there, okay? And that's the finish line as I told you earlier. Any question on this? No more question. Then when I say go to the next obstacle, what you will do, half of you will go from the right and half of you will go from the left. That means 1 2 1 2 149. How many are 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. The 1 2 1 2 149 will go from the left, and 1592 175 will go from the right of the obstacle. You will go running and go and stand similar fashion as standing now, and then I will come and brief you about the next obstacle. Should we start?
Yes, sir. So can we share the?
Did I ask any questions about? Right. So we clear how to move to next obstacle? Move. This place, this is the start line of the obstacle number of 2 of this task, and you can see the finish line over there. This is the finish. That is the finish line of the obstacle number 2 of this task. Okay. And once you reach over here, you find another bully, long bully, as a helping material. This is available to you. Okay. Now structure, if you see on my left, you see a rectangle. This is free to move. Okay. It can move like this. And a hole in front of it. You see a high bench here. On my right again alphabet A structure. Only thing is one arm is jutting towards you. The platform next to it is color as you see on ground. Okay. Another piece of structure here, H shape, you see, and they have got 2 arms jutting out towards the finish line with the 2 platform next to it. Okay. Here again the center you see squarish platform. Ahead of it there is a ring, and again ahead of this there is a hole here. Okay. And here is again a triangle, but now this case it is vertical, and the base is blue in color. And here you see 2 platform, and that is the finish line. Any question on this? More than yeah. Once you reach here, you will find yourself. Right? Any other question? Move to the next one. Okay, fine. Now we have come to the obstacle number 3 of this task, right? Start line you can see in front of you. You can see the finish line also over there. Okay. Now structure you can see. Here is the combination of structure, 2 structure, the drum over here, base is red, that's white. On the left side also again you see 2 bridge sort of a structure. Okay. This bracket is hanging, this is broken down, right? Are they supposed to be hanging over here? Okay. And here again you see a structure, we got some arm jutting towards you. On the right side again you have pole over here, a small bridge sort of a thing here, and just short of finish line you can see a cross which is movable and 2 Y-shaped structure over there, right? And this is the finish line. Okay. Now this, any questions so far on this complete course? Right. So in this task, how many obstacles are there?
4.
How many you have seen?
3.
So you got 3 obstacles only in this course, right? Any question? Yeah.
Sir, can we share our resources?
Like
from
means
one
what?
team to the other team?
Where is the other team?
We are moving in 2 teams.
No, you are to moving just for the moment you are doing it. Okay, right, gentlemen? Are you clear about the task?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
Hold it from the side. Hold it. Go.
Right. So now I want you to think an idea which is self-sustaining. There is no requirement somebody to hold it with hands. Okay. So go back there again. Think of some better idea. वैसे चले जाओ उधर बीच में चलो. Go back. Right. Now think of some better idea. Okay, right now tell me what is the problem now. Okay, slightly better, but what is the problem? Why it is so imbalanced? What can be done to sort out this problem?
Balance it more effectively.
So do it then. Okay, now please answer me. What are you achieving by tying rope here?
We are trying to balance it. Trying to balance it and not. This must not be movable.
Okay, let's see. Now keep standing here. Keep standing. Well, खड़े हो. खड़ा रहो इधर ही. अरे, हाँ, keep standing there. Right. Now tell me which is the rope which can be removed. Pardon?
Middle one.
Middle rope. So why you wasted so much of time middle rope if you can remove it and still working out? Why you tied the rope of the middle? You wasted so much of time of everybody for the rest of the group also. Remove the middle rope. Okay, all right. So idea is to understand that middle rope is not achieving anything. Yes. You have removed it, still not doing it. So you are wasting so much of time there. Why tie rope or tight karo usko? Are you getting a point? Yes, so you should understand where rope is supposed to be tied. Sometimes it will be tied ahead, sometimes it will be tied behind. So you must keep applying your own mind. Okay. So I grant you this idea. Okay, perfectly fine. Now give the alternative. Okay, carry on. चलो यहाँ से आगे चलो आगे तो. I grant you this idea. चलो acceptable है. आगे बढ़ो. So they have become now healthy. They are available now. This idea understood. This is how you can move forward. चलो. Right. So another point to understand over here is, say for example, listen here. Another point to understand over here is, if you are using the same arrangement to get a person from over there also, the moment somebody steps over it, what is happening? Let somebody put a weight over there. रखो ना, पैर रख के देखो. पैर खड़ा होने की कोशिश करो. क्या होगा? What is happening now? Right. So that means now if you want to use this arrangement to get last person from there also, that is why you require to tie rope at the center also. Tell me what you will do from here to go ahead.
Put the blank here.
तो बातें नहीं करो, करके दिखाओ उधर.
You are standing. Open it. Take it blend and then first give this bucket. You can stand there. You should not touch the blue. Focus on that blue color. Don't put on that.
Yeah.
148. 148. Yes. Give that bucket. Give that bucket. 148.
Put it there.
Take the rope here. The rope. Yeah. Give the rope. Give the rope. Okay. Okay.
Wait, man.
No, don't tie it. Blue.
Why? Suppose even is doesn't hold it, what is going to happen?
That's
This will go down.
How? Let's see. Is it going down? No, going down. Then फिर दिमाग नहीं लगाना, बस बुद्धू की तरह काम करना. चलो. Okay, right. So how many people can more come over here?
3.
So one more person come here. चलो. दौड़ के चलो, फटाफट इसको आना आगे. One more. Yeah.
Be there.
How many more people can come be accommodated here?
The one can come here.
One more people can come here.
Two can come here.
Two can come there. Go the two people there.
One more can come here. Come here. Don't jump. You can here. I can.
Right. I want two more people come here on this structure. चलो. दो और आगे आ जाओ.
Side one on that side.
We can use this.
Give it to me.
Then
Finalize one.
Okay, listen. Both ways we can. 2 or 3 can go from here and some heavy will stand there. Then lighter one will go there. Okay. So first try to go.
yes.
Take that plank. Now one more to go. I can also go. You stand there. One more can stand. One more can stand there. One more stand there.
I think one or two of us can stand there.
One can stand here.
Come.
One more. Only 3 can stand. One more can go there.
Two
Jump on
can
the
stand.
jump on the blue side. Go. People should jump on the blue. Okay, then we can use plank on the to use that. Now you go. 148. Just support him.
Gentlemen, just
I think first we have to No, first we have to remove these persons from go there. Just with the plank. I think. Then the last one we can use this. We can use this. 148. Just number 1 people. Just put that plank on there. Easy. Don't put it. We can.
What was the idea?
This is not the idea.
We can use this.
We can use this.
gentlemen, just tie the rope here and put the plank between the rope.
Okay.
Got it? Just
Yeah.
tie the rope here tightly.
Such a way
Okay.
that
And,
when you put there,
Gentlemen, just tie it in a rectangle manner. Got it? Just tie it tightly and put the plank between the rope
give them to
and put it here, and then we can swing it.
No, we can bind it in the
Gentlemen, just tie it on the average height of that obstacle. Like
1 to 1.
Okay.
From the
1 to 1
center.
you can do it.
You hold this. Tie it from inside, otherwise.
First check the length. First check the length of the plank till here. Check it.
If it would not be, then we can also make loop, which will increase it.
Yeah.
We can just make loop from here. Then it would increase our distance. Means distance to reach.
Yeah, that's okay. Do it. Tie it on the legs. Listen, 1 to 1.
Okay,
Tie it on the legs.
You can tie. Just bend. Take that.
Just take.
You take that. You take that.
Just.
This balance when someone will stand there, certainly, and will fall there. When someone will stand on the corner,
Take it a little back, man.
plank back, plank
130
back.
plank back, plank back. Bas, that's it.
Okay.
Tightly, bind it tightly.
Just tight.
Put very tightly.
Hold it very tightly. And one from like that cross.
Tie it in an easy manner.
And we can use this rope also.
No. Yeah, you want to make loop from here and loop will in
Right. What other people feel it is going to work?
No, sir.
We have
Now
lost
then
regarding
if you all feel not going to work, why are you wasting time on this?
We cannot.
If it is not going to work, why are you wasting time on this?
Sir, I think by this we can.
So I think it will work, sir.
It will work?
It can work, sir.
Okay.
We can try this.
Quickly try it out.
This rope is short. You can use this.
जल्दी करो फटाफट देखो काम करेगा कि नहीं करेगा.
Tie it with that one only.
How means what? They are tying the rope like this. When the weight will come, what will happen?
This will go down. This will go down.
Plank will.
This will go down.
If you
Plank will move
If you tie it like this, this will go
Plank
down.
किस डायरेक्शन मूव करेगा और weight आएगा किधर आएगा जब weight आएगा ऊपर जाएगा.
Tie this one and in this position, not like that.
All 90% people but all down the drain. No knowledge. चलो करियो करके देखो. सेंटर में तो रोप पर जाए पेंडुलम भी तो बना रहे हो तुम जब जाएगा तो कहाँ जाएगी रस्सी जब वेट आएगा तो कहाँ जाएगी इधर आएगी तो प्लेन उधर से खिसक के नीचे गिरेगा.
I think first idea was good. We're trying. Just bind it. Whatever we can do.
We can use.
Have you
also
understood
this
what I'm
one.
saying? No, not understood.
Listen.
Once the movement your weight is going to come on this plank, the plank will shift this side.
Will also.
Rope is going to come to this side,
Yeah, how
ना? जहाँ
can we
weight
do
आएगा
that?
तो
We won't be able to.
सीधी होगी ना vertically. तो plank will shift this side, fall down.
148.
अब ये क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing now? This? More than 4 feet. But nevertheless, I accept this idea. I'll grant you. Okay, let's see somebody. Chalo.
Go easily.
Just hold it tight.
Yes.
I'm holding it. It will stuck.
Go, jump.
Right. So, this is how you're going to work?
yes.
The moment you try to take a jump, that means distance become more than 4. Alright? If you're stepping over it, it's okay. Otherwise, that's common sense check is
I can
if
go?
you're jumping.
Yeah, you can.
But I grant you, partially grant you this idea, okay?
Yes.
Now you come over here, just 2 minutes left, now tell me, I'll go ahead. In fact, time is already over.
We can use it. Yes.
We can keep it.
Take that balli, man. Use that balli.
Use that balli. Yes, we have got that balli.
Make yourself balance. Okay.
Yes.
Wait.
Someone just hold
You
that.
cannot stand on the ground. You cannot.
Is it allowed to stand on the ground? No. We should remove that balli, otherwise it is just creating imbalance, nothing else.
Okay.
ग्राउंड पे ऐसे खड़े रह सकते हैं इसको पकड़ने के लिए.
पकड़ने के लिए नहीं लाएंगे खड़ी.
हटाओ ना बॉल.
तो वहाँ से हटाओ ना.
Brother, one by one try, please.
Let's try. Let's keep this balli parallel to it like that only. It will not touch the ground plank.
Okay.
Put that balli like that.
Now balli is of no use.
Rope.
Please put that.
Underneath.
Okay. One second. I'm done. Now this is not.
That idea was working. Where that small balli? We can use this, na?
Yeah.
Why we have removed
Oh,
this?
one second.
Yeah.
हल्की मीटर को पूरे को वहाँ रख करके स्टार्ट लाइन पे इधर आ जाता है. Okay, perfectly fine, gentlemen. So today we have done the progressive group task. Now you also might have realized that wherever you applied your mind using the structures and the helping meter properly, you are able to make some arrangement which was self-sustaining. That means there is no requirement of somebody to hold it. पीछे से पकड़ लूँगा, अपने सर पे रख लूँगा, वो सब बकवास वाली not required. Okay, wherever you try not to apply your mind, you got stuck. Okay, and my another observation is you too much obsessed with the rope. Rope मिल गई तो साले को उसको बांधते तो हो जाएगा. At places it might have some use, at places it may not have a use. Then look at the other helping meter that have you got with you. Use it. If you see the last case earlier, initially you kept busy with the rope everywhere. Rope फंसा दूंगा, rope बांध दूंगा. Thereafter finally some idea came to somebody's mind that he said, "Go put a belly behind." Right? Because the problem was you tried to work out the arrangement, but it was touching the ground at the moment low wave was coming on this, isn't it? Yes. So there's a problem. That means this anchor has to slightly go even higher. How it can go higher? Either waves from the center where you're trying to put the belly, that is going too high. not stable. So then later on somebody says, okay, पीछे से इसमें rope फंसाओ. But rope was also not doing the job because requirement was something more than that. And then finally drawing you that okay, we can use the bully also, thereby making an arrangement which is again self-sustaining. Then you could cross it over. So I want, similarly over there the back also, wherever you utilize your mind, you are able to find the answer. So firstly, even if suppose you have to use the rope, you must know where to tie the rope. ये नहीं कि जहाँ मौका मिला था रोप बांधनी शुरू कर दे, पता कुछ नहीं है, अंदाज लगाना बस रोप बांधो, और you waste lot of time there. You have seen yourself in the later part, once before we have just come to the finish line over there, you have seen yourself, rope was not required. Straight a plank and bully would have done the job, isn't it? And you only found out the answer. So kindly you must keep yourself alert, and whatever the knowledge you have acquired today, keep applying it on ground whenever you go. Because you rest assured you will not get similar structures over there, you will not get similar tasks also once you go for this. As I said in the morning for the GOR also. GOR still you might find some obstacle, something like that. But for the progressive group task, half group task or command task for that matter, you will not have similar structures in. So idea is you must work out after applying your mind the way you worked out early case also, second case also. Okay, sometimes it is very easy for you to do, sometimes you have to apply your mind more. The way you have done in the later case. Okay, so kindly whatever you picked up, keep it at the back of your mind, must look at the structures carefully. Sometimes things might be available to you, you have to just utilize it. Sometimes may not be there, then you have to create it with the help of helping material. Here you got a rope, sometimes you not have a rope only, so don't get zapped. Are you getting my point? So for example, in this case there is no rope, but still you are unable to find the answer. Without rope can निकला ना भाई वो. So you might have some different kind of helping material also. They may give you a triangle. So more importantly, you must get a hang of it, how it's supposed to be done, and how you to utilize the helping material. Keeping the structures in mind, they will keep varying. The important line is you must understand you have to make an arrangement which is self-sustained. You don't require to hold it. कि मैं किसी आदमी को बोलूँगा खड़ा हो जाएगा, पैर पर रख लेगा, हाथ से पकड़ लूँगा, not required. Clear है? So only place where you can use little bit of physical force is only once which you have done there to put up people to counter it and move one person inside. Okay, because that is also not totally a physical force. You are putting countervalence force. You are asking 3-4 people to stand there so that person can go. Right? Idea is to make a measurement by thereby bringing the distance between two structures less than 4 feet. That's it. So kindly whatever you have done today, this is how you are supposed to go about this. Okay. So I am very sure today, because this being the first time exposure, some of you got exposure earlier also. Kindly see how you can utilize your acquired knowledge and how you keep constantly applying your knowledge, whatever you gained today. Okay. And with this we have finished today for the progressive group task. And any question, clarification so far, whatever you have done, before we call it day.
Sir, are we allowed to stand on the ground, sir?
No, it is just for, because you are running short of time. So that's why permitted you to come to on ground, otherwise not. Unless GTO over there also tells you, okay, I permit you to come stand next to closer to the ground. Okay, otherwise not. You will not, otherwise obstacle for you. Here I wanted to save your time so that you know, this what about. Any other question? Otherwise generally got a hang of it now? Okay, this is how you are going to go. Okay, so just remember this, keep applying your mind then, very important. And you have done it yourself, you have seen it also happening. The moment you start applying your mind, things came. But it came out a lot of hit and trial. Time अगर आपको restricted रहेगा तो this idea would have escaped you. So now since you got little exposure, I am very sure you will find out the answer even faster. Clear है? So nothing more to add then. Okay, have a nice time and kindly take right lessons from here. Okay, so that you always do better on GTO. Okay, all the best. Take care. Bye bye.